Good morning, y'all. My bad. Where's my mat? As I started the video, I hyperlapse straight off. I'm just trying to rush to get it done. We know when we rush, we mess things up. I hope I don't today. But this video, I am making a 2-gauge cluster using the upper change / storage cubby for the G35. All right. My idea of putting the gauges in the gauge cluster surround isn't working due to the fact that the wires are not long enough, and I've already added like 3 feet to the wires of the gauges. So I decided to go this route. Hope it works out. Hope you guys like it, and I'll give you guys some ideas as to for future mods interior wise for your G35. So hyperlapse is gonna be it today. I don't know how many hours I'm gonna be doing this, so bear with me, but hopefully it turns out right. Let me get back to it, knock this out, my day off. I'm trying to finish it in like 4 or 5 hours. That's what it looks like so far. I'm gonna mark and cut these edges to fit the contour of the storage cubby and bolt everything back in, put all the pieces back in, make sure we're good, and then I get to laying foam and fiberglass, or resin I should say. I'm actually using West Systems resin for this. So I wanted it to kind of cock towards me more, but because of how it's sitting, I wanted it to more resemble this. But yeah, I might just take this piece off completely, get it out of the way, so that way. Let me go try that real quick and we'll see what it looks like. This is what it looks like from driver point of view. It's not exactly what I had in mind, but it will work. I need it tilted more towards me, but it's alright. I can still read the gauges, so that's what's most important. Need to go trim this area off and get it lined up so that it comes flush with this when everything is installed, and that should be it. Foam, then resin, get it sanded up, probably paint it at work tomorrow. Get those gauges installed. See, the wires are here. They just weren't coming through these like I planned to. This is what we're looking like so far. I'm pretty happy with it. Cut back more than I need to here, except for this corner, but eventually all this will line up with the AC control bezel. What I'm going to do now is I'm using bubble wrap to place the back of it and around it. I'm using bubble wrap because it's a lot stiffer. It won't allow the foam to get into corners where I have to do extra trimming, and that is pretty much my plan. Less foam I gotta cut, shape, the better. I need to leave this section open for this trim piece to go back. That's gonna be a tricky part, trying to form all that and filling this in. Shouldn't be too hard, but we'll see. I'll bring you guys back when I got everything set up, because I don't have access to set the camera up in here. Time to put foam. See what it comes out like. So this is what it looks like now. Got not much shaving to do, but the process is going to take longer. But we got this far, which is what I intended for today. And I need to go to throw the car back together. Plan to drive it Friday or Saturday to work. That's what we're looking like. And probably at work on Saturday I'll finish this up. Maybe sooner. Who knows? Once the foam cures, we're good to go. So I'm going to call this a day off well spent. Got my gauge cluster mocked up, being foamed. Now we got to shave it, run some resin, go from there. Time to go do some laundry and see what this young lady's up to. Say hi.
Hi.
You guys will be seeing a lot more of her, especially when she starts going sideways, because she wants to. I don't know what possessed her to do that, but yeah.
The need for speed.
She says need for speed. All right, catch y'all next video. And always, thank you.